Playing with Fern. Come and join Playing with Fern. Welcome to Playing with Fern. I'm going to flashback. Today's my birthday. Oh, there's something down there that I'm standing on. I'll show you when I get out. Okay, come on. Jump it. There we go. So the oven, some pieces over there. Octopus. Fish. Seahorse. And two more fishes. One big and tall. Oh, I'm cold. I have to get back in. See, the water's all coming from here. That little hole.
Are you okay though? Everybody needs to know that you're okay.
I'm fine.
Okay, good.
It feels a little bit better.
Okay. We're sorry that you fell down, Mila.
It's okay.
All right. We love you. Besito.
I'm in a cage, Mom. I'm in the cage. I'm in a cage. I'm in a cage. I'm in a cage. And everyone will sing my song. Everyone will dance and dance along. That Sophie came along together. And then I'll tell Akaya when we come back to school tonight. I can't believe we're playing with water kids in my show. Well, goodbye. See you in the next video. Playing with Fern. Come and join Playing with Fern. Playing with Fern. You can do it. Playing with Fern. Playing with Fern. Playing with Fern. Playing with